Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to format an SD card on your Mac. Whether you're looking to clear your SD card for new files or preparing it for use with a new device, this step-by-step guide will help you. So, let's go. Step 1. Insert the SD card. So the first thing you need to do is insert the SD card into your Mac. If your Mac doesn't have a built-in card reader, you'll need an external USB card reader. And if you have a microSD card, all you need to do is put it in the housing that makes it as big as the SD card and you're ready to go. Once it's in, your Mac will recognize it, and you should see it show up on your desktop or in Finder under Devices. Step 2. Open Disk Utility. To do this, the easiest way to do that is of course using Spotlight on the top right and type Disk Utility. Or go to Launchpad and you can find the Disk Utility among other utilities. Disk Utility is where we'll manage all of your disk drives, including SD cards. Next, select your SD card on the left sidebar. It will be listed under External. Now, click the Erase button at the top of the Disk Utility window. It pops a window shows some detail for formatting your SD card. If you want to, you could give it another name. Then the most important part is to select the format for which you want to format. Then the formatting process will start after you click the Erase button. It shouldn't take too long. Once it's done, you'll see a confirmation message that the process is complete. You've successfully formatted your SD card on a Mac. It's now ready to be used for whatever you need. Finally, safely eject the SD card by clicking the Eject icon next to it in Finder. This ensures no data is lost, and your SD card is ready for use. Bonus: how to recover deleted files from formatted SD card. Can I still recover data from a formatted SD card? The answer is of course you can. Next, I will show you how to recover my data using 4DDiG Data Recovery Tool. If you are interested, you can check out the download link below. And that's it. If this video helped you out, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.